I'm going to conduct a resume review session for a data analyst position on my channel. So if you're looking for a data analyst job, either as a fresher or as an experienced person, and if you want me to review your resume, then send it to codebasicshub@gmail.com. In the video description below, I have provided all the instructions. So basically me and a friend of mine who is an experienced data analyst, his name is Utsav Mehta. He has couple of years of experience working as a data analyst in TCS and some other companies, and he recently did his masters from US, and in his university he performs resume critic sessions. I also have years of experience interviewing people, reviewing resumes, so we both will provide you a lot of value and feedback in terms of how you can improve your resume so that you get an interview call. The chance of getting interview call can be increased. Now there are certain rules you need to follow when you send that resume to me, and those rules are stated in the video description below. But in the title, just put your name, then column, data analyst position, and then column either fresher or experience. And in the email, just briefly mention your like what you're looking for, and attach your resume, either Word or PDF file. And then me and Utsav, who is an experienced data analyst, we both will conduct a Zoom session. We'll share your resume, and then we'll highlight the areas where you need to improve and the areas where things are pretty good. Now do not put your email or phone number in the resume, because we'll be sharing the resume and it will be available publicly on YouTube. So you of course don't want to share any of your personal details, even address. So in the resume, just remove those details and put some dummy. For example, for email you can put abc@xyz.com. Okay. All right, so send me the resume. We'll try to review as many resumes as possible. So send those resumes to us, and we will try our best to provide a lot of valuable feedback. See guys, resume is very important in terms of finding a job. If you don't get an interview call, then you don't get an opportunity to prove yourself. So it is very important that you have the best resume possible. All right, thank you.